Ramadan Mubarak! We all know Suhoor is the most important meal of the day to keep us energized, but it doesn't have to be boring and it doesn't have to be expensive. Today I'm showing you 7 healthy, delicious Suhoor recipes, all using one grocery haul that cost me under 15 pounds. We've got protein, slow-releasing carbs, and hydration heroes. Let's get cooking. First up, we're fueling up with fiber. This is figgy nut and date oats. Oats are a complex carbohydrate, meaning they release energy slowly throughout the day, preventing that midday crash. The dates give you an instant potassium boost, while the nuts add healthy fats to keep you fuller for longer. Day 2 is a classic comfort, anda paratha or egg paratha. This is the perfect balance of fats and carbs. The paratha provides satiety, and the egg is a powerhouse of high-quality protein. It's quick, filling, and nostalgic. Day 3, we're going plant-based with a tofu scramble. Even if you love eggs, try this. Tofu is lighter on the stomach than meat, but packed with protein. The turmeric is anti-inflammatory, great for keeping your body feeling good during the fast. Day 4 is for those mornings when you barely wake up in time. No cooking required. Hydration is key. Greek yogurt has a high water content and probiotics to help digestion. The pomegranate adds antioxidants, and honey gives you natural energy without the heavy sugar crash of processed sweets. Day 5. We're drinking our nutrients. This papaya honey lassi is incredibly refreshing. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that aids digestion, perfect if you've been feeling bloated. Combined with the yogurt, this is soothing, hydrating, and won't weigh you down. Day 6 is a curry, a spicy Parsi-style scrambled egg dish that wakes up your taste buds. The spices here aren't just for flavor. They kickstart your metabolism. It's a savory, protein-rich meal that keeps hunger pangs away for hours. And for the finale, Day 7, shakshuka, a one-pot wonder. This is a vitamin bomb. You get veggies, protein, and healthy fats, all in one warm, comforting dish. It's the best way to end your week. Let me know in the comments which one you'd try first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Ramadan tips. Ramadan Kareem.